shit that I do.
Hey you guys, don't mind how I look, but today we are going to be talking about coastal scents. They were kind enough to send me a box of goodies and I just want to share with you really quick in this video. I did just wake up from a nap. I'm having allergy problems because Florida is now in the 40s for some reason. I don't know, but it's making my allergies act up for some weird reason. I think it's the heater. I'm not sure, but be sure to subscribe at the button down below and turn the notification bell on just so you don't miss any of my videos. And be sure to follow me on Instagram so we can be friends and talk. I always leave my Instagram handle right up here, so you look at it all video, just in case you just forget to follow me and you want to. Why not? But yeah, let's just get right into this video because I do want to do a makeup look. I want to edit some. I need to do laundry, so I got a lot of stuff to do, and it is 3:44 in the afternoon, so I don't have a lot of time before bed, and I am tired, and this bright light making my eyes look like low. So let's just get right into it. So first, they sent me an individual brush. This is the medium shadow brush. Looks like this. It reminds me of a Bobbi Brown brush that I used to have. I used to contour my nose with the brush like this, so I might use that for this, but I'm gonna use it for eyeshadow, of course, as well, but you know, why not? And then just to get right into the brushes, since we already talked about one, they sent me this brush set. I picked out the purple one because my mom loves purple and I love purple, so why not? This is the Brush Affair Vanity Collection, and this is the Orchid one. It's a 22-piece brush set, and it comes with a carrying case, which is really, really nice. It is magnetic. Only thing about this, I feel like this little flap right here for the brush protection could have been better, but I'm guessing it gets better as it's like the material, like it gets better as it's worn in. And this smells like leather. Like it smells so good. But these are all the brushes. I'll hold it up really quick. These are all the brushes, and they're really pretty and really soft. I'll be using all this stuff in a future video. But you got a whole bunch of face brushes, a whole bunch of eye brushes, and they're actually like, I don't know, I just really love them. And the color is beautiful, so I'm so excited to use these brushes. And like I said, it's magnetic, so it's like nice and secure. And then they sent me 2 blush samples, which I'm excited for because I love blush, so why not? I didn't pick these out, but still excited for these. This is Sweet and Graceful, and then this is Romantic and Glamorous. Those are the blushes. They're very pink. And then I picked up 2 lipsticks. I got shade 2 and shade 7. The packaging is very lightweight. This is shade 2. This is shade 2. It's very pink, very pretty. It's like such a good pink color, and I don't really like pink lipstick, but I really am interested in this color and this formula. And this is shade 7, which I will need a lip liner for, but it's a really, really pretty nude. I feel like I can really get a good use out of this color. And then you guys, you know that I'm not a gloss girl, but I have been into gloss. Like I have been obsessed with gloss, so I got a clear gloss tube just because we all just need a good clear gloss. Like you can never have too much clear gloss, so I'm excited to try theirs. It looks very glossy. I feel like this is really going to be really, really glossy. This is a shade Crystal. And then we got a Suntones bronzer. This is a shade Medium, and this looks like a really good color. Like I'm excited for this. Like it has a little bit of a sheen to it, but it's not too glowy. So I'm excited to use this. So I'll definitely be using this in a video really soon. Like I'm using all this stuff in a video really soon. So wait for that. But yeah, I'm really obsessed with this. Like I really want to try it. And then the second to last thing that I got is the Revealed palette. It's a very warm palette, but it does have some good shades in here. Like look at this. This is really beautiful. Like this is a good everyday palette. You got your warms, you got your pops of color, you got shimmers, mattes. So like this is a really good fall palette. Like definitely check this out. And the packaging is super cute. So let me just swatch some of these shades. This is shade Red Delight. Okay, so the top layer of that shade needs to be rubbed off, but that is what that shade looks like, Red Delight. Let's do a matte. We're gonna do Night Rush. Ooh, that looks really, really pretty. And they feel really soft. Like that's a good matte. And then let's do I'm Peachy. That is so pretty. That's a good transition color. Like you can't really see it on my skin tone. It's right there. This is Revealed Rogue. I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna do a look with this soon. Like it's so cute. And then I did create my own palette with them. You can do this by like on your own. I really just wanted to try like colors that inspired me. So this is a palette that I came up with. It's 21 eyeshadows and 5 blushes, and then you choose the individuals and then you just pop them in this palette. This is the palette that I did get. I will be doing a look with this. I don't want to like swatch it or anything right now, but I'm so excited for this blush because I never tried a blush like this. This is the shade Cupid, and I'm excited to use this white, this cloud white, and like this from here down is like, I don't know, it's just something about it. And then like these neutrals, like I just they're so pretty. So I'm definitely excited to be doing a look with that. Just stay tuned for that. Be patient. I'm still catching up on everything. So yeah, so this palette's pretty good quality too. Really good plastic. So yeah, and they're magnetic inside of these. So they're actually really like secured in there. So they just like really like popped in there. Like it was like, it's not a super strong magnet to where you can't get them out, but it's pretty sturdy. So definitely excited to use this. So that was a quick unboxing of everything. I just really wanted to show you guys what I got because they were nice enough to send it to me. Thank you so much, Coastal Scents, for sending me these products, and especially I'm so excited for the brushes. They seem like such good quality. So be sure to let me know what from Coastal Scents you've tried, or what you want to try, or what look I should do with the palettes, what I should use first. Just let me know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.